A Pakistani expert has said that the China-Pakistan economic corridor has brought high-quality development through win-win economic cooperation between Pakistan and China over the past 10 years, highlighting the vitality of China's proposed Belt and Road Initiative.
China has invested on projects which are the economic worth, which are the wealth generation, which are the revenue generating projects. China has helped Pakistan to develop the port. The port means when it is operational, it is generating the revenue for government of Pakistan. They have helped in Pakistan to build roads and bridges and motorways. That means the transportation sector and the transportation of goods and people's movement has been eased. So this is the nature how the Chinese are really helping Pakistan in a great way.
Launched in 2013, CPEC, a flagship project of the BRI, is a corridor linking the Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation. A1 said with the launch of the BRI and Pakistan joining CPEC, a great change happened to Pakistan's economy, with all economic indicators immensely improved. In addition, CPEC has stimulated economic activity in Pakistan, creating thousands of jobs and improving the socio-economic life of locals.
Some of the Chinese companies, they have selected some youth and fresh graduates and sent them to China for proper training and higher education. So the China has helped Pakistan to produce a human resource to meet the challenges of the 21st century.
Recalling the acute shortage of electricity before CPEC was started, A1 said CPEC invested heavily in the electricity sector for power generation and power transmission.
With the help of Chinese, under the CPEC projects, several projects of power generation has been completed, and some are in the pipeline, and still some are in the under execution. And as a result of the completed power projects, Pakistan has get out of load shedding, and almost we are producing sufficient electricity to meet the demand of the Pakistan currently.